Hi loves, welcome to my channel. So if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Glenn and I do a lot of unboxing and hauls. So anyways, so for today's video, so you guys can already see by the title, it's gonna be another unboxing and it's from the brand Telfar. So I already opened the box because I'm excited to like see the actual piece. So it came with this little huge like bag, and this is so hard to get. Like, this bag is hard to get because once they announce that they're restocking, I feel like a lot of people is also like want to get this bag, and thank God I was so happy that I got this bag. So, and I know that I told you guys on my previous vlog, the vlogmas, that I don't need another bag or like a big bag, but this one really caught my eyes. This one right here. So this is their shopping bag, and it came with this big plastic bag. So, oh my goodness, I'm glad that it came with a dust bag. Oh my goodness, let's just open it. I haven't looked at it. Oh my freaking God. You guys, oh my god, she is pretty. Okay, this bag is so freaking pretty. Oh my god, oh my goodness, look how pretty this bag is. I got the color medium tan. So they do have different colors. I really want to get the black one because I just love the black one, but when this one restock, I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna get this because I freaking love this color as well. It's medium tan. So I just want to read the description about, or the details about this bag. This is their iconic unisex shopping bag. It's an everyday bag for everyone. It says featuring a double strap, handles and crossbody strap, a main compartment with the magnetic snap closure, and internal zipper pocket made from faux leather. So this is not real leather, okay? This is faux leather, which I believe I was looking for. I was watching videos, it's vegan leather. So just to remind you guys, this is not real leather, it's just vegan or faux leather. And twill lining. The bag is packaged with 100% cotton drawstring bag with screen. Okay, so this one is medium fit with a laptop and also your daily kit. With this one, I think I'm gonna be using this bag as like if I'm traveling, and also if I don't know if I'm gonna be using this at work because I'm still good with my Tory Borch bag for work bag, because I could really care less about that bag because it's nylon. So with this bag, it can fit like laptop. So I have here my MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch. So I just want to see, and I feel like it's gonna fit. So I feel like it's gonna fit. So yep, there's more actually. So I feel like I can see myself using this bag if I have somewhere important to go. If I'm gonna be bringing my laptop, my 13 MacBook laptop can fit in here. And the only thing about this is I'm 5'1", and the strap, the crossbody strap, it's not adjustable. So that's the only thing with the short people if you're ordering. Mind you, the strap is not adjustable. So that's the only thing that kind of like bothers me, and I wasn't really thinking right. So this is not adjustable, okay? And also I feel like I'll be probably using this as a handheld. So this is the bag look like, and the strap. Mind you, the strap is really long and I'm 5'1", and I feel like I'm just probably gonna use this as like a handheld or like this, because if I do like a crossbody, it looks awkward. It kind of look awkward on my size, but if you're probably taller, like 5'5", 5'6", this bag is probably look better on you because the bag is bigger than me, okay? So I feel like I can just wear this with handheld or like this. Okay, so this is what the inside look like. the logo, of course, right there, and there's a zipper pocket inside the bag, which is also very deep, where you can put probably like your wallet, your card holders, or keys in here. Since this is only like a magnetic snap closure, it's not the zipper closure. The only zipper closure is inside, where you can, like I said, put like your wallet, like your important stuff. And this is just the magnetic snap closure right there, and it's really, the bag is actually a little bit deeper than I thought. And this is the size medium. They do have the large and the small one. I was literally gonna get the small one, but like I said, they sold out really fast, and you have to be fast when it comes to this Telfar brand, because a lot of people has been eyeing this bag, and I was just so lucky enough to get this bag. And I love the simplicity about this bag. There's nothing going on, like it's just their logo, and like that's it. Like, well, you know, with the LV and other like luxury items, they have their logo like everywhere in the bag. With this one, it's just like one big logo, and like that's it. It's very simple, and it's unique with other bags. All I can say is I wish that the strap is more adjustable, so we have that choice to remove this, like not just adjustable, but removable strap, because this one, in my opinion, is just a little bit how do you call this, longer than me, because I'm too short, like I'm 5'1", just for the height preference. So yeah, I wish that this one is removable and also adjustable. But other than that, I really love it, and I cannot wait to like use this bag. Let me know if you guys are wondering what can fit in this bag, because I can film that like separately for you guys. And also the price for this one is, I believe, $202 for a vegan leather, which is not 100% leather, okay? It's vegan faux leather. And for the price with the medium tote bag and it's vegan, I was shocked and surprised. Please don't buy it on like StockX or like other like store, because they're gonna charge you more than the price of this retail value. So I would suggest to just buy it like directly at the telfar.com. And anyways, if you guys are interested on what can fit and hold about this medium bag, let me know in the comment section down below, because I'll probably film like a separate video for that. So anyway, you guys, that is it for today's unboxing. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.